In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the ElevenLabs login problem quickly and safely. If you've been stuck in a login loop, seeing an error, or the page just refuses to let you in, don't worry, this is usually caused by a browser issue or a security conflict, and in most cases you can solve it in a few simple steps. This guide is perfect if ElevenLabs is not letting you sign in on your browser, especially if you've already tried the usual password reset steps and nothing is working. Before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is disable any active VPN. VPNs are one of the most common reasons login pages fail to load properly or get blocked by security systems. If you have a VPN app running on your device, turn it off completely. If you use a browser-based VPN extension, disable that too. Once it's off, go back to ElevenLabs and try signing in again. A lot of times, that alone fixes the issue because the platform can now recognize your normal connection without triggering any security warnings. If it still doesn't work, the next step is to clear your cookies and site data. Over time, your browser saves old login files, cache, and session data that can cause authentication problems. To do this, open your browser settings, go to Privacy or Site Data, and look for ElevenLabs specifically. Remove the cookies and cache data for that site so you are only clearing the information connected to ElevenLabs, not your entire browser history. After clearing the site data, close the browser completely and reopen it. Then return to the ElevenLabs login page and try again. In many cases, this removes the corrupted session that was trapping you in the login problem. If you are still having trouble, try opening ElevenLabs in an incognito or private tab. This is a very helpful test because private mode usually disables most extensions and uses a clean session without old cookies interfering. Open a new incognito window, type in the ElevenLabs website and attempt to log in from there. If it works in incognito, that usually means one of your browser extensions or saved browser files is causing the issue. If that happens, you can then go back and disable extensions one by one until you find the one creating the conflict. You can also try signing in from a different browser, just to confirm whether the issue is browser-specific. Sometimes Chrome, Edge, or Firefox may behave differently depending on the extensions or privacy settings you have installed. So if the login still fails after disabling the VPN, clearing cookies, and using incognito mode, switching browsers can help you isolate the problem faster. Another tip is to make sure your browser is fully updated because outdated browser versions can sometimes break modern login pages. And if you are using a school, work, or restricted network, that can also interfere with access, so testing on a different network may help as well. The main thing is to work through these steps one at a time so you can identify exactly what is blocking the login. First, turn off the VPN, then clear the ElevenLabs cookies and site data. Then try an Incognito tab, and if needed, test another browser or network. In most cases, one of these fixes will solve the ElevenLabs login problem without needing any advanced troubleshooting. If this video helped you get back into your account, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.